Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. Today we are having Power BI. Welcome back to DataFest. We are celebrating our 8th Foundation Day. As celebration, we have arranged various boot camps, hackathons, mock interviews, and guest lectures by industry experts. We are in the second week of DataFest. For the couple of last days, we have completed Python, SQL, R, big data technologies, and so on. On Saturday, we had our guest lecture also on intellectual property rights, patents, and copyrights. I hope you all had great learning experience in the bootcamp. We also plan more guest lectures in coming days on various topics. So stay tuned on our social media for more updates. We also launched various competitions also, such as numeric competitions, quiz competition, dashboard creation, and hackathon. Today is the second round of quiz competition at 7 p.m. For those who are not able to attend previous boot camps, the recorded sessions are available on our YouTube channel. For more information and there are some more updates and announcements by Shubham sir. So now I request Shubham sir to take over and announce the announcement.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing great now. As you all know, we are celebrating our DataFest. It's the celebration of 8 years of excellence. तो आप सबको इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हुए और इसमें बहुत एक्साइटमेंट के साथ काम करते हुए देख के हम सब लोग और एक्साइटेड होके काम कर रहे हैं. So as you all know, we have proposed you the internship activities और इस internship activities में हम आपको full time 45 days का internship provide कर रहे हैं. तो इसी के रिगार्डिंग एक important notice या important announcement मैं आज करना चाहता हूँ. The announcement is कि internship की जो भी सारी registrations है वो 25th of March 2023 को close होंगी. So I'll repeat कि internship की सारी registrations जो हम registration लेते हैं job notification में, उसकी जो भी registrations है वो 25th of March 2023 को close होगी. As you can see it on your screen as well, we will close the internship registration date on 25th March 2023. So this was my first announcement. I'll move towards the second announcement. The second announcement is हमने कुछ students के reviews या कुछ working professional के reviews लिए हैं. तो इसमें हमें ऐसा review मिला है कि due to some college activities and due to some office activities we are not able to attend the sessions. तो इसीलिए हमने आप हमारी जो वेबसाइट है आप अगर उसमें जाओगे Indeed Inspiring Infotech तो आप उसका URL स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो. It's indeedinspiring.com. अगर आप उसमें जाओगे उसमें इवेंट के पेज पर आप क्लिक करोगे तो इवेंट के पेज में ऐसा इवेंट का पेज ओपन होगा. इवेंट की पेज में आगे आने वाला जो शेड्यूल है वो हम डेली अपडेट करेंगे जो राइट साइड का बैनर है. एंड जो लेफ्ट साइड में आपको 3 कॉलम्स दिख रहे हैं या 3 बटन्स दिख रहे हैं उसमें आप जो भी इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं, जैसे मैं अभी कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जाके दिखाना चाहूंगा. तो अगर आप कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जाओगे तो जो कॉम्पिटिशन्स है उसके चारों वीडियोस हमने यहाँ पे पोस्ट किए हैं, उसके गाइडलाइंस और उस सारी चीजें यहाँ पर आपको दिखेगी. सेकेंडली मैं बूट कैंप के टैब में जाना चाहूंगा. बूट कैंप में जो भी सारे अपकमिंग बूट कैंप्स है उसकी डिटेल्स विद यूट्यूब थंबनेल हमने पोस्ट की है. एंड उसके नीचे जो कंप्लीटेड बूट कैंप्स है उसके डिटेल्स या उसका यूट्यूब वीडियो हमने डाला है. तो आपको सिंपली वहां पे जाना है, क्लिक करना है, वो सारी चीजें या बूट कैंप अटेंड करना है, उसका सेशन कोड अटेंडेंस फॉर्म में भरना है, और उसके बाद जो भी टास्क आपको दिया जा रहा है उसको आपको कंप्लीट करके टास्क सबमिशन फॉर्म में फिलअप करना है, और सिंपली ये सारे फॉर्म आपको सबमिट करने हैं। तो आप सबको आई होप दोनों पॉइंट्स क्लियर हो चुके होंगे। फर्स्ट वाज रिगार्डिंग इंटर्नशिप एक्टिविटी, सेकंड वाज रिगार्डिंग द कंसर्न फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स एंड सम ऑफ द वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स वाज द टाइम मैनेजमेंट। तो उसके लिए हमने ये सारा डेटा एक जगह पे हमारे वेबसाइट में डाला है, तो आप जस्ट सिंपली वेबसाइट में जाके हमारी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन देख सकते हो, और वहीं पर हमने नीचे कुछ सोशल मीडिया के आइकॉन्स भी डाले हुए, तो आप सिंपली उस सोशल मीडिया आइकॉन्स पे क्लिक करके हमारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म को भी फॉलो कर सकते हो। तो आप सबको बेस्ट विशेस आने वाले सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए, आने वाले सारे बूट कैंप्स के लिए। तो आप सबको जैसे पता है कि हमने 4 मेजर कॉम्पिटिशन्स अनाउंस की है, उसमें है टेक्निकल क्विज, निमोनिक्स, डैशबोर्ड क्रिएशन एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट हैकाथॉन। तो आपको वो सबको अटेंड करना है, और आप सबके लिए आज जैसे आपको पता है कि न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो इस न्यू ईयर के ओकेजन में आई अनाउंस वन मोर थिंग कि आज शाम को हम आप सबको एक्साइटिंग गिफ्ट्स जो हम आपको देंगे, जो भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स हम ले रहे उसमें हम जो भी गिफ्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे या प्राइजेस जो भी मिलेंगे, वो सब हम आज शाम को हमारे सोशल मीडिया पर पोस्ट करेंगे। तो प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड फॉलो अस ऑन आवर सोशल मीडिया। Thank you so much. Please stay tuned.
Okay, thank you, Shubham sir, for these important announcements. So let's watch a small video regarding our DataFest celebrations, and then we will start with today's bootcamp, that is Power BI bootcamp. So before that, let's watch the video. I think the sound is not.
Hello everyone. It's indeed inspiring to see you back again. We are celebrating our 8th Foundation Day. As a celebration, we have arranged multiple events including boot camps, competition, hackathon, mock interviews, and insightful guest lectures by our industry expert. So stay tuned. The schedule would be starting from 13th March to 27th March of 2023. So subscribe the channel and mark the bell icon to always be updated, as our time would be 4 p.m. onwards on YouTube, which is online live. During the sessions, our instructors will provide you certain guidelines. Make sure to follow them. And many times, technical issues may arise during the session. So take a chill pill, as we would provide you all the recordings of the bootcamp in the playlist of the channel. But still, if you have any problem, feel free to contact the instructor for your help. Before connecting, make sure your internet speed is better or good. And of course, join few minutes early so that you don't miss anything. Alright? These are the important links available for you in the description, through which you can register yourself. Alright? Give the attendance also during the sessions with a particular module code, as well as these particular link will be provided during the sessions as well. So, and the most challenging part is the task submission. The links would be provided you in the descriptions to submit the task or the assignments given during the sessions. So make sure to complete them and follow the instructions and submit the links in the particular Google Forms. You would be eligible for the certification if the assignments are being submitted, as well as the attendance is also mandatory for the particular model as per the days provided. Alright? As well as there is a note. During the sessions, we also have some small quizzes, and the exciting part is that the winning participant will get the exciting goodies and hampers. And the most active participants will be getting a chance of internship. So stay tuned and be ready and be motivated, as well as here some social media guidelines are being provided for you to complete the assignment. So first thing, you have to post your assignment, which should be in the PDF format or the picture, on the LinkedIn, tagging the Indeed Inspiring Infotech and respective trainer. Copy the post, submit it to the provided Google form, add multiple and innovative hashtags, and hence you will be eligible for the certificate. So let's meet soon and keep learning.
Okay, now that we are clear regarding our DataFest celebrations, now let's see today's guidelines, and then we will continue with today's bootcamp. So topic of today's bootcamp is Power BI. So Power BI is a data visualization tool. Today's bootcamp is of one-day schedule, that is 22nd of March. The timing is 4 p.m. onwards. Trainer for today's bootcamp is Ms. Aishwarya Shinde ma'am, and this session will be live streamed on YouTube. The links are already provided to you in the description and in the chat box. Now these are some basic guidelines that all the participants should be listen to instructions given by the trainer. During any technical issues during the session, the participants should keep calm and try to resolve the issue, and make sure that their session is working properly by ensuring that their internet speed is good, and their instruments such as mic, their sound are working properly, so that they are not able to they will be able to listen carefully to the session. These are the contents of today's bootcamp. That is the introduction to Power BI, then features, views, visualization, slicers and tables, and transforming data, cleaning data, transform before load, visualizing data, etc. Tools required for this session are laptop and the Power BI. More instructions regarding these softwares and equipments will be given by trainer ma'am. For certification, the attendance is mandatory, and candidates should submit their assignment post in the Google form to us. After the session, we will be giving you all a quiz, and winner of the quiz will get prizes. And also most active participants during these boot camps will also get a chance of internship and also prizes from us. So these are some social media guidelines that while posting your assignment, you should tag Indeed Inspiring Infotech, Crucial Technology, and other government organizations. Also on Twitter and other social media also. And there are some other hashtags you can use during your social media post. So these are some basic guidelines regarding today's bootcamp. Now I request Aishwarya ma'am to start with the session, and after the session, we will be giving you assignments and quiz, and we will also announce yesterday's quiz winner. So over to you, Aishwarya ma'am.
Thank you, Suyog sir. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So once again, I welcome you all for the today's session, today's bootcamp regarding the Power BI. So let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everyone, right? So here, the today's agenda is what is Power BI, and we will discuss a short mini project regarding the one real-time data set. And in that data set, we will use some exploration, that is some different visualization chart. And last, we will discuss some new things regarding the Power BI. Okay, so here we will start the data visualization with the Power BI. So first, what is the visualization? Can I get responses in the chat? So what are you able to understand with the word visualization? Okay, let me help you. So visualization means it is nothing but the representation of data. Which data? So there are different types of data. It means there are different types of charts available, like here the pie chart, scatter plot, then some horizontal bar chart, as well as some time series data. So representation of data regarding through the some objects as well as some charts. So this is nothing but the visualization. So why data visualization? Why we use the data visualization in the Power BI as well as some Excel as well as the Tableau? So it is very easy to understand, and here charts are better readable than here to some get insights. So that's why here we have to use some data visualization. So here there are different tools for the data visualization, that is Excel, then here the Power BI as well as the Tableau. So I hope Tableau का bootcamp सभी ने attend किया होगा. So this is the best visualization data tools as well as the Power BI. So here why we use the data visualization as well as the business intelligent BI. So why we use this data visualization and which kind of helps? Data visualization helps in, there are different types of things like finding some hidden pattern, right? So identify some trends as well as the outlier detection is the main concept in the data pre-processing, right? Data analysis. So what is the data? What is the type of clustering? Then here to create some intelligence report through the Power BI. So that's why here we have to use the business intelligent desktop. So which type of jobs available in the Power BI regarding the business analyst, which is the best, as well as some BI engineer, then here financial analyst, as well as HR analyst and the data analyst. So these are the different work opportunity in the data analyst. It means in the Power BI as well as the Tableau. Okay, so we will discuss the introduction to the Power BI. So what is Power BI? It is simply just drag and drop tool. It means it is the business intelligence tools. It helps in some analyzing as well as some cleaning the data and then converts it into the visual format. It means here it helps in creating some business reports as well as the dashboard. So in that means it is nothing but the Power BI. So why we use the Power BI? Because there are a lot of features available. It means here easy to understand, then here maximum features as well as the high demand. Then here we have to add the one feature like the data connectivity, which is the very important. That's why here we have to use the Power BI. Okay. Then in the Power BI, there are different types of components available, like here Power Query, Power Pivot, as well as the Power View. And the last one is the Power BI services. So these are different components. We will discuss these components. So here, how Power BI works. So Power BI desktop as well as the Power BI services. How Power BI works? It means using the Power BI desktop, it is the developer tool as well as the we can download and install the Power BI desktop as well as the Power BI service. So what is Power BI service means? It is the cloud application, and Power BI desktop means it is the developer tool. So here we will discuss the installation of Power BI desktop. So I will share the link as well as the some steps to download the Power BI desktop in the chat. Okay. Just these steps means first you can open the MS Store from the search menu. Then the next step is the click on some application option, as well as the third search the Power BI desktop, and the fourth option means click on get button. So these are some steps to download the Power BI desktop. I will share the link as well as these steps. That's why. So here to download the Power BI desktop. Okay. Let me open the Power BI. Simply, you can see that it is the Power BI user interface. I hope my screen is visible, right? Okay. So here, let me first annotate. So here, there are different types of charts available. It means here, the first is the finance. It means Power BI desktop. It is the title bar. Then here, the next is the some file, home, insert, modeling, view, help. These are some tabs. It is nothing but the menu bar. Then here, you can see that here is the one visualization symbol. It means here the reports. Then here the next one is the some relationship. It means some data that you want to add some types of data like finance related, healthcare related. There are different types of data sources. So here it is nothing but the data. Then here third means relationship. I want some relationship between the two tables. Then I have to use the relationship option. It means it is nothing but the modeling. So here in the fifth section means here is the visualization option. So here you can see that there are different types of charts available, right? Some stack chart, cluster chart, pie chart, as well as some time series related data charts. Then here we have to, then here we can see the some formatting options. Here some values, drill through, cross reports, as well as the keep off filter. Then here we have to see the one option like here the filter. Okay, these are some Power BI user interface. I hope it is very interesting. So let's start with the Power BI reports. So here first I will clear all my drawing here. Okay, so first here there are different types of option. It means here there are some data sources available through Excel, through SQL Server, through here the blank table. It means you have to create the another new table. And here the last option is the trial sample data set, and another data sources available in the here. So in the home tab, you can see here get data as well as the Excel workbook, data hub. It means here some built-in Power BI data sets available, like here the data sets preview, then the SQL server, then here the enter data. So these are nothing but the some data sources. So first we will discuss the ETL. Can anyone let me know what is the ETL? ETL means ETL stands for extract, then transform, as well as the ETL, extract, transform, and the load. So what is extract, what is transform, and what is the load? Can I get responses in the chat? Yes, Prajakta, extract, transform, as well as the load. So first, I have to choose the option get data. In that here, some text CSV file. Okay, and here I have to choose the one data like the Zomato. So here you can see that there is the data available. You can see the data, and here there are three options available like load, then transform data, and the last one is the cancel. So what is load? Load means transform data. Why we use the transform data? In that case, we have to use the transform data. Then here, simply extract means these steps involve extracting data from the different data sources like अभी हमने डिस्कस किया Excel, some SQL databases like some CSV file, then web services as well as the more data sources available in the Power BI. So here I have to choose the one CSV dataset, and you can see here in the slide. So first I have to choose the transform data, because in this step you clean as well as you transform as well as the shape the data. It means some cleaning part. In that case, we have to use some cleaning part, some analysis. So here, there are different types of variables, attributes available, URL, address, then here the name, then next is the online ordered, book table, rate, votes, phone, location, and many other options. So first, I want to delete some columns because it is the unwanted column. Then here, I want to delete this column like the URL. Simply here, click the column, here click the attribute, and here you can choose the remove columns. Then here, I want to delete address. Simply, I have to click the remove column. Then here, name, online order. Here is the book table as well as the rate. So here, in the rate attributes, you can see the black line, right? So this means simply click that line and you can see some changes. It means here the rate, error as well as the empty. So empty means there are in that columns there are 10% data is the empty. So we can remove the empty because it will create some issues regarding the analysis. So that's why here I want to delete, I want to remove some empties. Then the next attribute is the vote. Then here phone. Simply here again you can see here one dotted line, one black line. Here is the 16. It means 2% empty. It means 16 records are the empty. So we need to remove the empty fields. Then here next one is the location as well as the rest type. So here simply click that the line, and here you can choose the remove empty because this is the empty field. Again here in that dish like variable, you can see there is the 49% empty fields. So remove the empty fields. Then here some another attributes like here some cuisines, some approximately cost, review list, menu list. Last one is the some listed type. Then here the list in. So then just I have to close the file, and here do you want to apply your changes now? Yes, I want to apply the changes now. Then here you can see the data is loading. It will take some times. So here 29, 30, 40% MB from the Zomato data set. So today we will discuss the Zomato data set, and in that data set we will perform some analysis. Here 1030, 333 MB, 370. It will take some times to load the data. It means load means in this final step, the transform data is loaded into this Power BI data model, where it can be used for some creating visualization, some creating reports, as well as some creating dashboard. So Power BI supports the two types of data model like import and the direct query. So these are two model. It is very IMP. So next one is the So again, it will take time to load the data. Okay, so अभी हमने डिस्कस किया ETL, extract, transform, load. Then here we will discuss some visualization. Here you can see there are different types of charts available, like some scatter chart, some here pie chart, some slicer, as well as some table format available. Here some line charts available. So again, it will take the load. It will take the time to load the data set. Okay, so in the second, you can see the data. Name, online, book table, phone, location, dress type, dish, like. So these are the some attributes, different types of attributes. So here in the table tool, you can see the new measure, quick measure, new column, new table. It will show some home tab, help, table tools. Simply, I have to choose one attribute, and here Power BI automatic shows the data types regarding this attribute. It means to show the data types regarding the online order variable. So in the format is the text. Again here I have to choose the red attribute, and here you can see again the format is the text. So here the votes. So you can see the data type is changed, right? So what is the data types in the votes attribute? Is the whole number, right? So again, I have to choose the another column like the phone, and here you can see the again change the data types. It will happen the some data types, right? So here in the phone columns, the data type is the text. Again here the location, some restaurant types, dish like. Okay, these are some information of the data types. Again here the cuisines, approximately cost. Okay, so in the last section you can see some changes. It means to show some relationship. So first I have to click the report view. So first here our aim is we have to load the data. Which data set? We have to work in the Zomato data set. So the aim is, what is the aim? So aim means sales, to perform the sales analysis for the restaurant in the Bangalore city. I will share the link on the chat. I will share the Zomato dataset link in the chat. Okay, so first we need to understand the data. So here first you will understand which type of restaurant are profitable in the Bangalore, right? In the Bangalore city. Then here which location is preferred location to set up some here, some here, some okay. So simply here I have to choose the data view, and again okay. Then next is the to check some favorite restaurant, as well as the to check some top 10 restaurant in the Bangalore city. Then here to check some favorite to check which are the favorite cuisines of the Bangalore people. So these type of visualizations. So first I have to choose the report view, and then here I want to add the background here. So simply I have to click the format option, and then here in the wallpaper, we have to see the image. So in that image, I have to choose one image and I have to select the image. So here you can see here the automatic Power BI automatic load the image in the user interface. So here in the image fit, I have to choose the fit option. It means here you can see the wallpaper background image on this user interface. Then here first we will discuss the some analysis. It means here first we will discuss the restaurant types using the slicer. So what is slicer? So here you can see there are different types of charts. It means here the slicer, just double click on the slicer, and here you can see some pop-up effect, and here in that field, and here in that field I have to check some restaurant types, right? So here I have to add the one column which is the restaurant type. So here first I have to remove the slicer. Then here you can see there are different types of restaurant types available right here. So bakery, cafe, bar. So just I have to choose the listed in types variable. Okay, and I want to remove the restaurant type. Then what happened? You can see the some list restaurant types here: buffet, some cafes, delivery, drinks and nightlife, then pubs and bar. So here it will shows in the list format, right? So here I want to add some buttons in that slicer. So here just you can choose the formatting option, and here the visual. Then again here we have to check some settings. So here style, present, grid, values, tools, accessibility. So here the style present, bold header, listing types, right? Then here I have to choose some border, top border. So simply here I have to choose this style. In that properties, we have to check some formatting options like the title. So here title is restaurant types. Then here I have to write the title, which is the restaurant types. So here bold, then text color is the white. Okay, text color is the black, then some background effect. Okay, so here in that properties, in that title, in that effects, the transparency is the 100%. Then what happened? You can see the blur effect, and here some I have to check some settings like here the title, bold title, then text color in the white color. So here in the horizontal alignment is the middle, is the center alignment. So here the subtitle. Okay, so these are some effect, and here there are some effects available, like here the background shadow effect. Okay, I want to apply some shadow effect as well as some visual border. So here in that border, I have to choose the rounded corner. Okay, and here the color is the black. So it means here you can see some restaurant type. So this chart, it's help us to show some restaurant types, right? So the next is the the next is the average bill amount to check some gauge chart. Okay, what is gauge? Gauge means, so here first we will explore the chart. So here gauge, so here double click on the gauge. What happened? So in the view, you can choose the page view. It means the actual size. Okay, and here I have to check some average bill amount. So average bill amount, in that case, I have to use the approximately cost. Just drag and add on the values. So here you can see the gauge chart. It means the gauge chart means gauge chart in the Power BI is the type of data visualization that displays the single value on the circular scale. So here you can see the one value, and here I want to change some count. It means some average, because I want to calculate the average bill amount. Okay, so here average bill amount, then simply I have to choose the transparency in the effect column. So here in the effect, again transparency is the 100%. So then here in the format, okay, so it will happen. So it means it is nothing but the gauge chart. So it is the similar to thermometer, right? It just similar to the thermometer, and it is commonly used to highlight the key performance indicator. It means KPI. So what is KPI? KPI means key performance indicator. So simply here I have to change the title. Simply here in the general, and the title is the average bill amount. And here bold, again the text color is the black here. So here the background is the dark blue, and here again I have to change the text color, which is the white. So it looks very simple. It shows the average bill amount in the Zomato dataset, which is in the Bangalore city. So here this is the average bill amount. So here just I have to copy this gauge chart, and here I want to add some another variable. So in the third point, we will discuss the total votes. Okay, so here the total votes. Again here I have to select the gauge chart, and here I have to choose the another variable. It means which is the sum of votes. So here sum of votes, which is in the form of count distinct. So change in the value, right? So here in the format option, colors, data labels, again data labels, which is in the gray color. So it looks in the again white color, bold the values, and here in the values, in the pull out value, it means to change some color. Here is the, I will choose the white color as well as the bold color. Then here you can see some changes, right? So it looks very simple and attractive. And here I want to change the title. So here the title the title is the here simply the total votes. So here total votes, again here I have to change the alignment in the, again here I want to some increase the font, which is the 22. So it looks very simple. Again here, then the next option to check some average rating. Okay, then again I have to check. So here I want to change the chart. It means it is the gauge chart, right? So here on that gauge chart, I will apply some slicer or card. So what happened? So it shows the count of words, right? So again here I will, again here I want to apply some formatting in the properties in the title. So again title is the total words. Here the bold title, and here in the last visual category label, which is in the white color as well as and the bold. So here, okay, so you can see the total votes. The count is the 2,200 and the 85. Okay, then here just I want to use this chart and to create the another new card. Okay, just the copy the card, and here I have to use the average bill amount, right? Sorry, average rating. So here in the fields, again I have to change the variable which is in the average rating. It means here the rate attributes here we have to use, and here you can see the first rate, but here we can choose the count which is in the 23.20K, which is the count of the rate. So here average rate. Okay, then here just I have to click the chart, and here I want to change the title which is the average rate. Okay, so in the again visualization chart, and here I want to change the some values which is the count distinct. So here the rate is the 63 rates. Okay, so here the next is the top 10 restaurant using the stacked column chart. Okay, so what is the stacked column chart? So here in the second number you have to see the one chart which is the stacked column chart. Just double tap on this chart, and here stack column chart means it is the visual representation of data that uses the vertical bars, right, to compare the different categories of the data. It means, suppose, let me explain with the example. If you want to compare some sales of different product, right, in the different regions, so you can create some stack column chart where each column represents region as well as the each column represents the sub columns, right? So sub columns represent the different products. So that is the one scenario that in that case we have to use the stack column chart. So here in the x-axis we have to add the some top 10 restaurant. Okay, so here in the chart we have to add the name of the restaurant as well as the restaurant type. So here you can see the stacked bar chart. Then here you can choose some filtering option. So here I have to check, I have to change, I have to click the some filter option, and here again I have to click the one column, and here you can see the filters option, and here show items when the value there is the different option. So it means here Okay, so here data count of restaurant, it's all here is the less than. Okay, and or name, add data labels, fields, then here the fields on all page. Okay, so here is the name, is the basic filtering, and here we have to choose the top 10 restaurant. Okay, in the top 10 restaurant, and here add data fields, top 10 restaurant, I have to choose another, like here the votes, on the basis of the votes. Okay, so here you can see the some changes in the chart here, like here it looks the here. So again, in the view, in the page view and actual size. Okay, page view here and the actual size. So simply here I have to use some, I want to apply some formatting. Okay, count of restaurant. So here I want to change the variable, which is the total number of votes. Okay, and here the top 10, again here top n on the basis of votes, and here you can see the some changes in the filtering option. So again, in the formatting option, in the general, so here the transparency, to change the transparency, title, here some effects. Okay, in that effects you have to check the transparency, which is the 100%. So here visual border, then the on the some shadow effects. Okay, these are some part, visualization part. Then here in the visual, so here the x-axis, and the to change the color, which is the white, or the here the black the name. Okay, and bold the name. So here I want to increase the font number here, and then here I have to change some again values, title. So what is the title? Sum of votes here, sum of votes by the restaurant name, and here the bold the title, again here to change some color, which is the white. In the y-axis, range, minimum, maximum. So here in that range formatting. So here the grid lines, zoom, columns. Again here I want to add some data labels. So simply you can click the data labels, and here you can see some series, like here all. Okay, so here you can see some values. Okay, so simply then here we need to some changes in that dashboard. So simply here I have to adjust the each and every chart. Okay, so I have to select the one particular column, and here go to the visualization, again in the formatting option, here in the general tab, the effects. Okay, and here the border visual order is the on. So here I have to increase some rounded corners, which is the 12, or the some color, which is the black. Okay, so these are some changes here. Okay, so here the some visualization chart. Then here we have to adjust the total votes average as well as the average rate as well as the some average bill amount. Okay, and here in the restaurant types we can here we need to change some formatting effect, like here the count or some style present. Here the accessibility means okay, some listed in the type, no. So here none, it means select. Then here image size. Okay, so style present. So here the grid, again the values, and here again the column headers, total, specific column. So here we can choose some listed type. Okay. So here the some restaurant effect in the table format, but here I want to add some slicer in that restaurant type. Okay, then here I want to some change the slicer setting, and here to change some, here I have to add some boxes. It means here simply just I have to adjust the each and every charts. So here, okay, then simply adjust each and every graphs. So here, okay, so it looks like very beautiful restaurant types in the button format. So here I want to change the fonts in the in that buttons like cafes, delivery. So again I want to some change the visualization again in that general title restaurant types. Okay, so here the subtitle on, okay, no, here subtitle is the off. Then again here I have to check some values. So here slicer heading is on. So I don't want to add the slicer heading. So that's why I want to remove the slicer heading. So here I have to choose some off effect, slicer header off. Then here go to the values, and here I want to change some font color which is in the black color. So here again the bold color, and here I want to add some increase the font size, and here the bold effect. Okay, so these are the restaurant types, and here in that general, in that title, here I want to add the background color. So here background color which is in the white. So here I want to add some background color which is in the dark blue. Okay, so it looks simple and beautiful restaurant types. So here there are different types of restaurant available in that data set, which is the Zomato data set in the Bangalore city. So here average bill amount, total votes, average rating. So here I want to add some another slicer or some another cards. Just I have to click the slicer. Again here what happened, the new slicer is added. So here in that slicer I want to add some different attributes which is in the cuisines. So here in the listed format. Okay, so again here I want to add some visualization formatting effects. So in that effect, the transparency is the 0%, but I want to add the transparency in the 100%. So it's look very different. So here in that shadow effect is on, as well as the visual ordered. So here in that round corners, I want to increase some size, and here the effects. Okay, in that visual, in that values, I want to change the font color, which is in the white and the bold, and here I want to some increase the effect 12. Okay, so here the main title is the off. So here title is the Q-scenes, bold, and here the italic, as well as the font color is the white, and here again background color is the dark blue, and alignment is the again alignment, middle alignment. So here in that general, in that views, I don't want to add the slicer heading, so that's why here I have to delete the slicer heading. So here again copy this chart, and here I have to add the another variable. Okay, so simply go to the visualization, and here I want to add some here location. Okay, here the location, and here you can see the location in our dashboard. So here in that dashboard, some adjust the charts, each and every charts. So here, and at the last I want to add some images. Okay, so go to the insert, and here go to the home. Okay, insert, here option is the images. I want to add some images. So here in that desktop, in that downloads. Okay, so here I want to add the one images, which is the Zomato. So here the Zomato images, here the Q-scenes. I want to add some effects here, and I want to change the titles. So here the title is the location, right? So here is the location. Then here Q-scenes. Then here some, okay. And here in that stacked bar chart, I want to change some effect. Okay, so here in that title is the bold title, and here the background is the again dark blue, font color is the, okay, so here font color is the again white, and here horizontal alignment is the middle. So these are some effects available in the Power BI. So in the in that visual, so here x-axis, again the I want to change some color. Okay, white. So here again the bold, the values, again the, okay, in that y-axis, some minimum maximum available option, some grid lines. Okay, here the grid lines and data labels. So here data labels, I don't want to add the data label. So here the next is the some plot area background. Okay, so these are some effects available in the Power BI. And here simply here just check again the formatting on each and every graph. So here visualization, some here the slicer in that general. So here in that effects, again in that effects, the bordered. Okay, here the border color is the black. Same here, again visual border is on the every visualization. So here 11. Okay, then again is the total votes, visual border is the on, and here the rounded corner is the 16 or some 11. Okay, then again in that same case, average rate, total corner is the 11. So here in this stack column chart, yes, in that location also visual border, in that Q scenes also. So here in that images bordered is the on, which is the same size. Okay, so here these are some formattings, and here you can see the dashboard is the these are some dashboard, and here in that dashboard you can see the different types of options, restaurant types, average bill amount, total votes, as well as the average rate, and here the total votes by name. Again here I want to change the clustered chart. So here in that visualization, simply I have to click the filter here, and in that filter again is the top end, and here top 10, again total votes on the basis of sum of votes, and here you can choose the apply filter. Okay, and here you can see the top 10 restaurant names are available. So here in that general I want to change the title. So simply top 10 restaurant. Okay, top 10 restaurant, and here yes, top 10 restaurant stack column chart. Then here we will discuss, then here we have to discuss the location, some cuisines, and here I want to add some 2 tables, which is the online border as well as the booking order. So here in that, okay, in that gate chart, some here the, so here adjust the stack column chart, and here I want to add some slicer or card. So simply I want to add some card here, and in that card, okay, so here I want to add some card. Okay, double click on that card, and here, okay, double click on the slicer, and here I want to add some book table variable. Okay, so here you can see there is the 2 response, yes or no. Book table, yes or no. Simply again here add some visualization effect, format your visual. So here simply click the general, and here in that general transparency is the 100%. So you can see some changes, 100%. Again here the title is off, so I want to add title, which is the book table. Okay, here the book table, bold, and text color is the again white, background color is the same dark blue, and here I want to add the alignment. So simply here you can see some changes in that view. I have to choose the actual size. Okay, so these are the book table, and here in that book table, in that slicer header is the off, so on. So I don't want to add the slicer header. So again I have to change the color. So again value in the white color, and as well as the bold. So here I have to add some slicer. simply copy the chart and paste again. And here I want to add some different variable, which is in the some online order. Okay. So you can see the online order, which is in the form of yes or no. Simply just format your visuals. Then here in that general to change the title, which is the online order. So here online order. Okay, so here is the online order. Here is the book table and some Zomato pictures that I have added. Okay, adjust the each and every graph. So it looks very simple and attractive. And I want to change some background effect here in that general, in that effect. In that title here, I want to add this type of background. Simply, I have to click the total votes, and again here I have to change the background. Again here is the average rate. I want to change the backgrounds on every charts. So here this looks like very simple, and just you can click the buffet. You can see that there's here is some changes, right? So here the average bill amount is the 728 something, total votes is the 5, the count of rate is the 3, as well as the top 10 restaurant. So in that buffet restaurant, you can see this type of restaurant, that is Jalsa, then cafe, some elephant spice, and as well as some different restaurant. So here I want to click the online table. So here online order, yes, I want to click the online order. Then you can see some changes, right? So average bill amount is the 800 something, then total count is different, which is in the 4. Again here is the 2. Okay, then here top 10 restaurant, again to change some values in the top 10 restaurant. Again here I want to choose some cuisines here, Chinese, North Indian. Then here you can see some count rate, count only one count of votes, only one count of rate here, and here only one restaurant, which is the Spice Elephant. So again, okay, so here in the okay, so here in that dashboard, just go to the view, page view, and actual size. So here you can see some dashboard. Okay, so to check the version of the Power BI, simply go to the help, and here go to the about, and here you can see there is the March 2023 version. Okay, so here go to the next page, and here I want to add some effects in that Power BI desktop. So here go to the file, and here option and settings. Then here go to the option, and to see some options here. Then here in the data load, directory query, R script, as well as the Python scripting, then the security privacy, then here the restaurant regional setting, update, users data diagnostic, preview features, then here auto recovery, report setting. So these are some options available in the version of 20 March 2023. So here I have to click the preview feature, and here in that option, the second option, want object interaction, which is in the checkbox on, then here the okay. So here you can see that in the next So here you can see so you notice that in the home ribbon, now they have to put the chart option, right? So here the chart, stack column chart, some line chart, as well as some cart, gauge chart, donate chart, right? So see previously you would have to go to the visualization, right? So in that here tab, so just I will open the next chart. So here in that visualization, choose some effect here, choose some charts here. But in that version of 2023, you can see here in that home tab, you can see some charts here, which is available in the version of 2023. Simply here, just go to the again stack bar chart, and here you can see here some effects, some new things. Okay, so here in that add data and build your visualization, so here you can see that the automatic data add data options available. So here in that y-axis I want to add some, here I want to add some name. Okay, so okay, again here I want to change the name here and add data, and here cuisines. Then here in that x-axis I want to add some restaurant type. So here you can see that which is the stacked bar chart. So you can change the different types of chart, that here you can recommend it as in the matrix form, as in the some bar chart, as in some stacked bar chart. Okay, so these are different types of options are available in the new version. So again here I want to add, just here copy and here the paste. So here I want to add some, in that case I want to add some another attribute, which is the here. Okay, just remove the chart, and here I want to add again the tree map. So in that tree map, add some dish light, then here add some detail, which is the menu item, and here I want to add some values, which is the average count, sum of approximately average count. So here adjust each and every graph here, and here so here you can see the tree map. Okay, and here data labels, which is in the off. Okay, off data labels, and here the title, size. There are different types of informations. Here is the some dish light and the menu item. So according to the variable dish light as well as the menu item, you can see the data types here. You can see the some visualization on that tree map. So here just I have to click the one. I have to click the one certain here. I have to click some dish light paneer steak, beer cream crispy. So here you can see the different. So here you can see the count of restaurant type by cuisines. So here we can apply some changes. This is nothing but the tree map as well as the about of the version of 2023. This is nothing but the Power BI visualization, and here our dashboard here in that page 1. So this is our dashboard. So today's assignment is the using the restaurant data as well as using the inbuilt data, which is in the finance data. You have to create the attractive and the interactive dashboard using the Power BI. So this is the today's assignment, and here in that page 2, in that home ribbon, data hub. Okay, I have to use the data hub and the Power BI data set. Again, enter your email ID. Okay. So just I have to open the again Power BI desktop here. Power BI services live connection. Okay. So here, open the again Power BI desktop, and here you can see the try a sample dataset option. Just click on the sample dataset. Okay, load the sample dataset, and here you can see the some changes connecting. Here the two data available. I have to choose only financial data, and here load the data. So in that case, you have to see the load data. So apply changes here, and the load the financial data, creating the model, creating connection in the model. So here in that financial 700 rows is loaded. Go to the data, and here you can see the financial data, which is the inbuilt data. So the assignment is the, you can use this data or you can use the Zomato data. You have to create the dashboard, interactive dashboard. Okay, and I will share the quiz link. So I hope this point is clear to everyone. Thank you, Suyog sir. Over to you.
Okay, thank you, Aishwarya ma'am. Now I will first share the attendance code for today. Today's attendance code is PB22K. PB22K is the attendance code for today. And for quiz, quiz link is shared now in the chat box. Also, we have yesterday's quiz winner. Yesterday's quiz winner's name is Syed Amir Syed Wajid. Syed Amir Syed Wajid is the winner of yesterday's quiz. So I hope all of you will attend today's quiz as well. Now, okay, and one more thing. Today we have second round of quiz competition. So those of you who are selected for second round, please remember this. And yes, this is it for today. I hope all of you will join us tomorrow for the bootcamp. Thank you.
Suyog sir.
Yes.
Give me 1 minute. Yes, Syed. You can choose any type of data set. Okay, for creating a dashboard.
Who is it?
Yes, that's it.